Do you know the three main components that act as electronic switches in a circuit? You have probably heard of them: the transistor, the MOSFET, and the thyristor. These three components are similar yet have different characteristics and operating methods. Let's find out which component you should choose for your project. This is a transistor. It has base, collector, and emitter pins. The base pin is the input used to turn the transistor on. There is a gate that blocks current between the collector and the emitter. When an electrical signal is applied to the base, this gate opens. Current flows into the base to operate the transistor. When the transistor turns on, the gate opens and current flows from the collector to the emitter. This is the basic principle of the transistor. The transistor can operate in two modes. We categorize them into amplifier mode and switching mode. Switching mode is the one most often used in DIY projects. A separate video is being produced on amplifier mode. If you're curious, please subscribe to the channel and turn on notifications. The ultimate reason for using a transistor is to control the main circuit with a weak current. This is a current control method. Its advantage is its switching speed, which cannot be achieved with small relays or general mechanical switches. This is a MOSFET. It is used as a core component in power supply device like SMPS. It consists of gate, drain, and source pins. Similarly, basic state. There is a gate between the drain and source pins. Current cannot pass through. When voltage is applied to the gate pin, this gate opens, allowing current to flow from the drain to the source. It is similar to a transistor. The difference is that the MOSFET is a voltage control device, while a transistor needs a certain current to open the gate. A MOSFET requires a certain voltage to open the gate. The MOSFET also has two main configurations: the source follower configuration and the roadside switch configuration. The difference lies in whether the source is connected to the output or connected to the ground. This connection method determines whether the MOSFET operates like a resistor or like a switch. A detailed MOSFET video is available on the channel, so please check the comments. The thyristor also has three pins: gate, anode, and cathode. If you are familiar with diodes, you will have heard of the anodes and cathode. Allowing power to the gate allows current to flow from the anode and cathode. But what happens if you turn off the power to the gate? Surprisingly, the current can continue to flow. This is called latching. Even if you remove the gate power, the current will continue to flow as long as the current between the anode and cathode does not drop below a certain minimum threshold. To stop the current, you must cut off the power to the main circuit. Thyristors are usually suitable for controlling large currents because they have a high surge current. They can be considered components specialized in AC power control rather than DC power control. They are also components used in solid-state relays. Now we have briefly learned about the three components. Let's look at which circuits they should be used in. Transistors are best used for controlling low-power DC applications, such as driving LEDs or small motors. MOSFETs are excellent for use in high-frequency applications or for controlling high-capacity DC power. They can be used in conjunction with timer ICs to control high frequencies or in building power supply units. They are also suitable for driving larger motors. Thyristors are suitable for circuits using AC power, such as AC motors or AC LEDs, because they can perform AC power control and have a high allowable current and high surge current. They can also be used in applications that use large DC currents. In this video, we looked at the operating principles and best use for the three most common electronic switches. I have left a link to related videos in the comments. If you want to see other recent videos, please subscribe and turn on notifications. Thank you for watching.